Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 10. Subject name is analog circuit and topic name is AC/DC BJT analysis, and it's a 1 marks question. Question says that in the circuit assume that transistor is in active region. You need to assume that transistor is working in the active region and it has very high value of beta. High value of beta means we know that IB is base current. IB is basically IC by beta, and if beta is very high, so your IB will be 0. The base current is 0. Transistor is active region, so base to emitter voltage is 0.7. It is given. Then we need to calculate the collector current IC. Friends, you need to see that it's a it's a voltage divided by circuit. The voltage divided by circuit in the DC analysis, first thing we do is we draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit, which is we have a BJT with a resistor of BJT with a resistor of 300 kilo ohm. Then the Thevenin equivalent resistance RTH, then your VTH, and then your collector resistor. Your supply voltage 5 volt. Collector resistor is given as 2.2 kilo ohm. Okay. The question says where the RTH is basically the parallel combination of R1 parallel R2. R1 is 4K 5 and 1K, which is 4K parallel 1K, and VTH is nothing but 1K into 5 upon 5K, 1K plus 4K, which is 1 volt. So VTH is given as 1 volt. Okay, so RTH is connected to the base terminal, so it is IB current will going to flow across it. 300 kilo ohm is connected to the emitter terminal, so IE current is going to flow across it. Base to emitter voltage is 0.7 is given to us. Just apply KVL here, so you can find it out that VTH is equal to RTH times IB plus 300 kilo ohm times IE and plus 0.7. Okay, friends, you know that beta is very high, so we have already declared that IB is 0. So if IB is 0, then RTH times IB is also 0. VTH we have calculated as 1 volt. 1 minus 0.7 is equal to 300 kilo ohm times IE. So IE is what? 0.3 upon 300K, right? So IE current is basically we have calculated as is equal to basically IE current is equal to 1 microampere, or I can say that 0.001 milliampere. Okay, now you know that the IE current, emitter current, is basically IB plus IC. We already know that IB is 0, so my IE is basically equal to IC. So we need to find out the IC current, which is nothing but 0.001 milliampere. Friends, question says that find out the IC value in milliamperes, which is 0.01 milliampere. Thank you.